Welcome to the caboose life. All right, thank you. So we're out here on the caboose, and we have the team from New York who are doing a documentary here, and they didn't know they were going to get this kind of show.
Certainly did not.
Exactly. Yeah, we are under a severe thunderstorm warning. I think the tornado warning has expired. Yeah, the evening limited has been held up until this storm passes.
Particularly when I get this like van, this like car over there, like it's kind of merging with like.
Where is it?
Behind you. That kind of merges.
Oh, that's perfect.
And what is that? Yeah, it's good. Yeah. I also. Oh yeah.
I'm documenting the documenters here.
Hey, what's up? I've been working at that for 2 minutes now. Your father?
Yes.
There's a large N in lights displayed on your lawn. You know what that could be?
Okay.
I think it's from that. I don't know. Green. I think it's like the. Could be from one of your train element of the green light.
Yeah, it could be from the train lights. Yeah, this is the first time that the caboose have had guests since they've been worked on. So they're actually, some of them are going to stay on the Mary Pat tonight. Pretty exciting stuff. Yep, the wind is picking up. All right, hello everybody.
Hello.
Welcome aboard the Nana's Rest, and we're enduring storms here in the caboose dining room. So we have our crew here, and this is the first time I've had a large group in here since I was in seminary. So this is pretty cool. And
Safest place in Kentucky right now.
exactly. So this is it. In our 20-ton steel box. So we like it. So. But yeah, this is what we do in the caboose life. We have guests and we endure storms and yes, lots of snacks and
lots of Pringles actually.
Oh yes, we have the Pringles, and I think I had another thing of cookies.
Oh really?
So
Buried around here somewhere.
let me see. I think they're down here. We gotta find these cookies. Let's see. I thought I put them. I must have slipped them somewhere else.
Have you seen that?
So if y'all can tell my viewers where you all are from.
We're all visiting from New York City.
Wonderful.
And we're really enjoying sheltering in place. Very
Is
unique
this all of our
experience.
first tornadoes?
Oh wow, what an honor.
Yeah, I think so too, yeah.
April's first tornado.
We looked at Kentucky experiences. The first one that came up was shelter in place at a caboose.
There you go.
Tornado watch. We paid top dollar, and here we are.
Oh, I love it. Love it. So, yeah. All right, well.
A lot of stories to tell about this trip.
Oh, yes. Yeah, you can't make this stuff up, that's for sure. We've been saying that a lot this week. So, all right. Well, we'll see what we
Check
get
back in
into.
a few minutes. We'll see where we are.
Yeah, we could be in Kansas when we come up next.
Reporting live.
Uh-huh. All right. Here we go. We're leaving New Haven. Doing an abbreviated trip because there is a tree on the track. And we are being shoved, so right now we're the front.
Just you have it out.
This is my
most is already set, right? So then, yeah, why not just sorry, I didn't do the math in my head for a second. But you're already at it.
So the big barn over here is where we keep a lot of our more delicate equipment.
Yeah, that's great. That's great.
When you say more delicate, what do you mean?
Some of our things that need a little more work, and like some of our very valuable pieces, like we have a 100-year-old caboose in there.
Wow.
Here's our guys up here.
That's what I was originally thinking.
You're gonna get a shot out the window there behind you.
Yeah, that's where I've been looking.
Oh, good.
It's beautiful.
Because you got a camera too, don't you?
I have a camera and it's kind of on a stabilizer, so I think, and I'm going in slow motion. It really feels like, I don't know, maybe, do you think what a conductor feels like sitting in the front of the
Yes, yes,
train? What a special perspective.
exactly.
April, like you could pick off other stuff too, like.
Like down here in the train, people doing stuff.
Well, I mean, like him,
My father doing stuff.
Copy that. I feel
Yeah.
like I've gotten some really, really nice,
Yeah, I just thought, you know.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, not everybody gets a perspective like that.
no, not at all.
A very rare one these days
Hey,
from a
Sab,
caboose.
Are you at 5200?
I'm at 52.
Copy that. Reading you there.
Yeah, April's got it going on here.
The Father Jamie suit.
Yeah,
Or Father Jamie vision.
yes.
It's really interesting and impressive that you can see like that light specifically with the
Yeah.
yellow.
Yeah, bright lights, if they just happen to get within my little pinhole, I can see them. So that must be where they're working on the track.
Yeah, I see a bunch of men in hard hats around the yellow train car.
Oh, that must be. Can you see the number on it?
Not yet, I'll let you know if I can.
So that might be my Santa Fe up there.
Hey, Father, could you actually move your arm back slightly? Thank you so much.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
so much. Sorry about that. You're doing really great.
So will we pause here up under the truck for a second?
Yeah. This is as far as we can go, I'd say. Unfortunately.
2316.
2316. That's one of our switchers, I think.
April, so I was going to try and put his camera where you are.
Maybe we switch.
Okay, I have one idea with
Yeah,
the
so-
Santa Fe. Can I just grab it quickly?
Yes. Then maybe April, I could have you go down and get some stuff like of the train car, like moving in and out.
Absolutely.
Father, it's a perfect day.
Good.
Does anyone have any Vaseline on them?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Why don't you take some sweat off?
Girls will lick it. Give it a little lick.
Should I?
Yeah, it's give it a little give it a
and
kiss. Yeah.
some, what do you call that?
Smoosh.
Sweat.
Forehead sweat.
Oil from the nose.
Oil from the nose.
Pray real hard, Father Jamie.
I got you.
Yeah.
I want them, but they're going to be in the way.
Hey, you want to come up here for
Here we go. Now you see what the caboose is for.
Yeah, no, it's definitely, it's cool seeing it in use.
Father, you actually have a guest.
Oh, good.
That's one big green.
What we're doing is scrapbook. Take like 20 fingers out of 2,000. So you don't have to look at all those others.
Father Dennis, have a great
Yes.
time.
Yes. I'm on a caboose. I'm happy.
Alright, no tickets. They're going to throw you all from the train. Might be a while.
Oh, his brakes are sticking just a little bit. So y'all can see my videoing technique. I line it up with where I know the window is, and I just guess.
Hey, I pretty much do the same.
That was actually kind of cool, so I really like that angle.
Hey, Father, we're just having a moment of you kind of just seated. looking out
gotcha.
the window. Yeah.
we're up here with my Santa Fe, hanging out. Levita is getting a full dose of my obsession here. I think the kids are loving it. That's the main thing. Yep. Take him away. Take off with him. Yep. Fun.